We'll guide you through how to compare Slack versus Asana effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Slack website. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Slack is primarily a communication tool, so take note of its key features such as channels for team conversations, direct messaging, file sharing, and integration capabilities with other apps like Google Drive. Now, open a new tab and go to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account. Asana is more focused on project management, so explore its features like task lists, project timelines, and workload views. Compare how both platforms handle communication and project management. Slack excels with real-time chat and ease of communication, which is great for keeping your team connected instantly. In contrast, Asana shines in organizing tasks, deadlines, and managing projects in a more structured way. Look at the integrations each offers. Slack's strength lies in its ability to integrate with a wide array of productivity tools, enhancing communication within your existing workflow. Asana, on the other hand, integrates well with apps that help keep track of projects, like Microsoft Teams and Zoom, which makes it perfect for managing tasks collaboratively. Consider your team's specific needs. If your team requires constant communication and quick updates, Slack might be the better tool. However, if your team needs a more detailed approach to task management and project tracking, then Asana could be the way to go. Remember, both tools can be used in tandem to maximize productivity. You can use Slack for communication and Asana for managing projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.